been a month and my child is not writing. What you guys are doing? He's only doing art and craft in the classroom. When he's going to hold the pencil and write words? You have heard these questions many times. And before starting this video, I would like to remind you again that everything that happens in a classroom is a science and teachers are applied scientists. Whenever the student comes to the school, it is a new environment and this causes a rise of cortisol hormone in the child. When the child is introduced to art and craft and paints, the level of cortisol hormones begin to reduce, and art not only reduces the level of cortisol but also releases a happy hormone called dopamine. Dopamine is a motivational molecule which boosts focus and concentration. And you have seen there are lots of art activities. Why the arts activities take place in class, especially finger paints and hand paintings, because this is a tactile sense. This is a tactile sense and tactile sense is highly effective for the development of human nervous system, especially brain. Hand painting has an impact on right brain and left brain, both sides of brains. And hand painting, we all know there are many benefits of hand painting in younger child. For example, eye-hand coordination, creativity, they relax. It is a relaxing activity. It's a fun activity, and most of it, it is a fine motor activity. Painting is very much important activity for fine motor skills. As in younger children, fine motor skills are in developing stage. Therefore, the movement when they use paints, the movement of fingers and wrist, all these movements give workout to the muscles of the hands. Yes, and this is very much required because whenever kids are exposed to creativity, whenever kids are called for creative work, it automatically develop the cognitive ability of a child. And whenever a child is given a blank sheet and colors to paint, it makes child's creative side of the brain to do the workout. And you know who controls the fine motor activity in our body? Cerebellum. Yes, cerebellum is situated in the hindbrain or the lower side of the brain, and it tunes the fine motor activity of the brain. Moreover, there is a collection of neurons in the middle brain, known as red nucleus. Yes, red nucleus alters fine motor activities. You know what is the function of red nucleus? Red nucleus actually plays a very important role in the movement of the body, and especially and primarily in the movement of upper arm and the shoulder. And now I will tell you why the workout for these muscles are required. Because the muscle which is responsible, which plays a very important role in handwriting are lumbrical muscles. Other than there, other small muscles are also there, but lumbrical is the main muscle which is required for handwriting to hold the pencil in the functional grasp. Advancing the pencils, advancing the pencils for the upward movements, the finger joints need strength and endurance of the lumbrical muscles. जब तक वो strength और वो endurance नहीं आएगी lumbrical muscles में, child cannot write properly. So please understand, it's not just handwriting, it's a complete process. There is a science behind this. There should be a coordination between hand and mind, and it comes through practice. As the activity which is practiced more and more, it makes a strong neuron connection. So have some patience. The child will learn handwriting, and please remember, whatever happens in a classroom, it has a science behind it. If there is said that there should be art and craft activities, lots of art and craft activities for preschoolers, it is because it's going to affect them in the long run. Have some patience, child will learn writing, no issues. What?